Through Christ, bondage can become freedom. And through Christ, brokenness can become restoration. This teaching encourages believers spiritually by strengthening faith and discernment. It encourages health goals through discipline and self-control. It strengthens families through accountability and godly leadership. It supports economic growth through wisdom and stewardship. It improves social relationships through humility and forgiveness. It inspires charity by reminding us of God's grace toward undeserving humanity. The message of Genesis chapter 3 ultimately points us to Jesus Christ as the Redeemer of humanity and the Restorer of all things. Glory, hallelujah.